Oil's clean.
That doesn't look too bad. She's off. Alrighty. Motor's off. Now the hard part.
Told you we weren't lying about the rest. Alright, we got the motor off finally. It wasn't too hard. Just a couple little things that were holding us up, but we did have to loosen this mag and turn it out of the way to get it off the mount. So since it's loose, we're just going to take the nuts off and take the mag off and see what we can see inside.
Look at that finger strength.
Don't need a torque wrench.
Yeah, just nice and tight.
Ooh, oil's clean.
That doesn't look too bad.
This engine's set for 20 years.
Surprisingly not rusty in there. And looks really good, actually. Wow. Cool.
Not bad.
Woo! New plane!